Whenever we have eggplants or aubergines, I always make baba ganoush. It's just so incredibly easy. This has been on the fire for about 30 minutes to 40 until it's soft inside. I don't bother to move it around. And then when it's ready, you carefully unwrap it and then cut it in half. Be careful, it's very hot. You see all the steam coming up? Now here I'm pouring raw tahini straight onto the eggplant. There's no need to add any liquid because we're using the natural juices from the eggplant. Make sure you do the other side as well. Give it a good stir and mix. Next, we add some salt. You can add as much as you like or as little according to your personal taste. After the salt, we're going to add some crushed garlic. This is a must. Don't skip this because it's really, really much better with crushed garlic. And mix it again. It's like a really soft, gooey, hot, steamy paste. It's still absolutely delicious. Vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly. Even if you're a meat eater, you will love this too. Now I'm garnishing this with some greens. I love coriander, cilantro. You can put parsley, chopped chives, spring onions, whatever green you have. And lastly, a nice garnish of black sesame seeds just to bring out some color. And there you'll have it. You can serve straight as is, straight from the skin, or you can choose to scoop out the paste and put it into a nice serving dish. Thank you very much for watching.